I was attracted to Findlay's distance PharmD program because they had the best pass rates. At the time when I had applied, their pass rate was in the 80 and 90% for the NAPLEX. I knew I was going to be successful in this program. I knew I could put in whatever work it took. So as long as I was prepared by my school and the faculty, I knew I would be successful, and Findlay was the perfect place for me.
I believe having a PharmD, the science knowledge behind it and the classes will really prep you for a career in the pharmaceutical industry. The course is designed so that way you have not just the basic knowledge, but they also offer you on-campus laboratory work, so you have the skills necessary to transition into a career.
Some of the features that I found most engaging about the online program is the fact that we're able to participate in Zoom meetings with our teachers or asynchronous sessions. However, we do have that opportunity to speak with the teacher, ask any questions. If we have an area that we might need a little bit more help with, they're always available at that time.
The faculty here is amazing. I feel very supported by them. Gosh, I can't say enough good things about them. They make sure we're prepared. They go above and beyond for us here at Findlay.
My experience with an enrollment advisor was actually a really great experience. Angela coached me and guided me through the entire process. She's very punctual and organized, and so she'll always make sure to, check up on you, follow up on certain things, and make sure that you're on top of all your admission paperwork and everything that you need.
My experience in the program so far has been great. I got to experience hands-on learning through my IPPY hours. They were able to get me set up quickly and efficiently with the pharmacy near my house. I didn't have to travel very far, and I was able to apply what I was actually learning in my courses in the pharmacy, which was amazing.
I believe this school not only provides you with the scientific knowledge, but also empowers you with the humanitarian touch and science. If you have the academic qualifications, the time management, and this is the career path you're set on, I believe Findlay is a great school to consider.